Turn your Figma designs into functional WordPress websites. Today, we are mastering the workflow using Elementor. Analyze your Figma layout identifying the hero section, brand colors, and typography for a pixel-perfect transition. Head to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for managing content and design tools. Install Elementor and Elementor Pro. These plugins allow you to recreate complex designs without coding. Create a new page and click Edit with Elementor to launch the visual builder. Drag and drop your containers, match the margins and padding to replicate the original Figma spacing. Apply global fonts and colors. A consistent design system ensures your website looks professional. Look at the result. With Elementor's precision, your website is a perfect match of the Figma design. Optimization is crucial. Adjust your layout for mobile to guarantee a smooth experience on all screens. There it is, a fully functional website built from your design. The transition is complete. Figma to WordPress made easy. Build professional sites without code. Start creating today.